It's time for another protein shake flavor of the month. And because it's fall, I could not pass up the opportunity to bring you a pumpkin spice protein shake. And because I have all the ingredients to put this together, a homemade vanilla syrup, a homemade pumpkin spice sauce, I've got some pumpkin puree and some pumpkin pie spice. This will make a perfect addition to my protein shake menu. Let's put it together. To my unsweetened almond milk, I am going to add some vanilla syrup, some pumpkin puree, some pumpkin pie spice, just a pinch of salt, of course our protein powder, and some ice. Put the lid on this and we are going to blend. Okay, this is ready. Now let's go ahead and pour it into our serving container. But we're not done, you guys. I mentioned this homemade pumpkin sauce for a reason, because we are going to make it our own kind of special. And then to top it all off, some more pumpkin pie spice. And there you have it.